Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see how to check iPhone storage. We will see how to check the iPhone's internal storage, and we will also see how to check the iCloud storage. Now if I have to check the iPhone's internal storage, what I will do is I will go to settings, then go to this option general, select this option iPhone storage. Now here at the top you will be able to see what is the capacity of your iPhone. My iPhone is 256 gigabyte and the space that I have used is 45.42 gigabyte, and here you will be able to see which applications are using most of the space in my iPhone. Now if you see, Facebook is using most of the space. Now if you have to remove the space that is used by the Facebook application, then you have to uninstall the application, go to Facebook, select delete app, and then reinstall the application so that the space used by the application will be free. Now here you will be also given a suggestion to offload unused apps. For example, there are unused apps that is using 2.5 gigabyte of my space. So if I select enable, then this much of space will be free. Now if I have to check the iCloud storage, what I will do is I will go to settings here, then I will go to this name at the top here. I will go to iCloud, and iCloud provides 5 gigabyte of free space, and out of that you can see I have used 3.2 gigabyte of space. Now if I want to have more space on iCloud, then what I can do is I can upgrade to iCloud Plus. I will tap on it and I will get the option to have either 50, 200 gigabyte or 2 terabyte monthly plan. So I can select any option and upgrade. If you want to make space free without upgrading, then what you have to do is select this option, see all, next to saved to iCloud, and here you will be able to see what is using more space in your iCloud. For example, if you see, iCloud Photos is using 2.5 gigabyte. So in that case you can log into the iCloud and go to photos and remove unnecessary photos to increase the space in the iCloud. Also what you can do is you can go to iCloud and stop syncing the photos to the iCloud to save more space. Also go back and you can also turn off those applications whose data you don't want to save to the iCloud. In this way also you can save space in the iCloud. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.